guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can balance your audio in CapCut PC. So for instance, your audio is only on the left side of your ear or on the right side. I'm just going to extract an audio from this video right here. Sorry, all I have are Valorant videos right now. So select your audio, and if you scroll down to the channels, just enable it. So there's fill right with left and fill left with right. So for instance, there's only audio on the left. So you're going to select fill right with left. But if there's only the audio on the right, you're going to select fill left with right. And hopefully it will be more balanced in both of your ears. So when you've recorded something, you're like, oh no, it's only on the left side of my ear. What can I do to fix it? I don't want to record it again, so you're going to do exactly this. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.